Today we will determine the distance, vertical distance, and horizontal distance between 2 points using labeled diagrams and plot graphs. If you look at from tank to tank, the horizontal distance is from left to right. The vertical distance is from down to up or up to down, and the straight line distance is basically this red line, which is, if you think about it, the hypotenuse of a right triangle. You did this on Friday. If I start here, then how do I get to this star right here, or this location? I could either go up and right. So my vertical distance is here. That looks like 3 blocks. Oh, it's hard to see, huh? 3 blocks. And from here it was maybe 5 blocks. So when I try to do this, there's a way we can figure out this distance. And I'm sure you already know how to do it. Horizontal and vertical distance. Now I have 2 dots. I need to figure out the horizontal and vertical distance. If I put it on a graph, then I can figure it out. So -2 to 3 is 5. Better colors, huh? 5. So this is 5. And then 1 to 3 is 2. That's the horizontal distance, and 2 is the vertical distance. Same thing here. I have 2 dots. I need to figure out the distance, so I put it on a grid. Now my vertical distance is 2, and my horizontal distance is 5 again. Okay, this is just practice so you can recognize vertical and horizontal distance. One more time. So, on a grid, as soon as it pops up, I have my vertical distance, I have my horizontal distance, and now I can find my straight line. Well, let's think about this. What is my horizontal distance? My horizontal distance, if I subtract 6 and 3, I get 3. If I subtract 5 and 1, I get 4. Okay. So, are there any sides of the triangle congruent? Well, let's think about this. I know I have this side congruent. There's 1. Now I need to figure out this distance. So that's 0 to -4, which is 4. And I have 0 to 4, which is 4. So I already have 2 sides that are congruent. Now it's asking me to find the distance between A and B. Well, if I go from 2 to 6, then that's 4. If I go from B to C, 4 plus 4 is 8. And if I go from A to C, how do I figure out this distance? If I know this is a right triangle, then maybe I can do Pythagorean theorem, right? How do you spell that again? Pythagorean theorem. That looks like A squared plus B squared equals C squared. You got to use that. Now, people always ask what is A and what's B. It doesn't really matter. If this is 4 and B is this side, which we said is 4. 4 squared is 16. 4 squared is 16. Then I am looking at 16 plus 16, which is 32. And that's supposed to equal C squared. So to find AC, which is just this thing without the squared, I have to take the square root of 32. Okay? Now go ahead and work on your classwork and your homework on the back.